Now guys, what's happening? How to send money with Krak. To send money with Krak, use the app to select here, send. And search the recipient by their Krak tag or email or phone, okay? Or you can initiate the process by using pay link, right? You can send money to anyone using a pay link or generating a pay link. So let's say I want to send $50, okay? Now you can select, of course, your local currency or choose crypto or anything else, okay? Crypto or even networks like Tron, BNB, etc., etc., right? Let's say here I'm gonna go ahead and create a $50 or $50 pay link. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a note maybe to verify that this is me who made the transaction, okay? And you can send the basically $50 to that recipient, okay? You can also pay with Apple Pay, right? Which include, of course, your debit and credit card, okay? And if you choose your payment method, hit send, okay? And verify that this is you. I'm gonna use my passkey and confirm that I made that transaction, okay? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if the video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.